Hello guys, I am John Tico Linares and I am going to be your Filipino language teacher. So, before we start, what is the origin of the Tagalog language or the Filipino language? Uh, the origin of the Tagalog language is from Manuel L. Quezon because before Manuel L. Quezon become the president, Philippines have many language. Cebuano, Visayas, Tagalog, and many more language. But since Manuel L. Quezon becomes the president, he noticed that um, in the Philippines have many language. So it's hard to understand each other too because we have many language. So he decided to implement Tagalog as a national national language of the Philippines since June 18, 1936. So, let's back to the topic. I will teach you Tagalog politely in 5 minutes. It's early in the morning. What shall I say to my Filipino friend? Can you guys help me out? What shall I say? Louder. Alright. Magandang umaga. Pause. Now it's getting hot. Oh, it's 12 p.m. in the afternoon. What shall I say from my Filipino friend? What? Yes, all right. Magandang hapon. I'm so sleepy right now. Oh, it's almost night. What shall I say in Tagalog? Good night. What? All right. Magandang gabi. Some of those words that I said earlier is the basic form of polite word here in the Philippines. Like magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi. That's the word you can use if it's morning, if it's afternoon, and if it's evening. So let's move on from the other word. Look, it's my friend. How can I greet her in Tagalog?
I'm good.
Seems I know. Kamusta ka na? Kamusta ka na, aking kaibigan? It seems that she have a good cup today. What shall I say to borrow her cup? I think, maaari ko bang mahiram ang iyong sombrero? Maaari ko bang mahiram ang iyong sombrero? Nice one. I shall thanks her giving this cup to me. What shall I say in Tagalog to thanks her? What shall I say? Great! Maraming salamat po. Or salamat po. Some of those words that I said earlier is all about basic communicating style to engage to our society. So, some of those words that I teach earlier is how to thank someone. Like, salamat po, maraming salamat po. And the second one I teach is how we are going to borrow something to our friends, family, or maybe to our classmate. Like, maaari ko bang mahiram ang iyong? Maaari ko bang mahiram ang iyong sombrero? Maaari ko bang mahiram ang iyong lapis? And etc. that can add be more. And if you want to greet your parents, families or teachers, friends, and more, you're, you're just gonna say, kamusta ka na? Or, kamusta ka na aking kaibigan? Kamusta ka na aking guro? And other. So, again, thank you for listening for our Filipino language class for today's video. And I hope you enjoy learning our language because it's our treasure. Because our ancestors fights from it. And again, thank you so much.